Very good morning to all my dear learners. I hope you all are safe and fine at your places. And I truly believe that the learning process is really going on great. So welcome to the part 5th of our today's chapter. Welcome into the arena of physical education. This is your part number 5. And as you all know that we are going on with training and doping in sports chapter, right? So it is your unit number 10. Training and doping in sports. While doing or while discussing about this chapter, we need to think. We need to have a whole presentation over here, right? So one of the things that we need to keep in mind is that the very first concept that we are going to discuss is limbering down. What is limbering down? See student, let us take an example of any competition. So let us suppose you are a football player, and when you play, first you go for the warming up. Before doing any kind of a sports activity, we must participate in such kind of games or such kind of activities we must do. So whenever we participate in a game, we do warm up. And what is warm up is all about? The general raising of body temperature. So this warm up and all we had discussed already in the previous session. What warm up is all? Warm up is a technique, warm up is a thing that allows us to raise our general body temperature. When we raise our general body temperature, this will help us to improve our performance, get ready physically and mentally for the game. It will reduce the chances of mistake, the chances of injury, the chances of poor skills. So, warming up is very important. And as we all understood it before, doing any activity, we must participate in some exercise that we call the warm-up exercise, right? So warming up, the general raising of the body temperature is called warm-up. Now today we are going to discover our new topic that is called limbering down. What is limbering down is all about? The limbering down is also known as cooling down. The first point we need to complete. Cooling down. Limbering down is also known as cooling down. It means it is to let back our, what should I say is that, to let your body temperature to the normal extent. So these are some set of exercise which are performed after the competition, which are performed after the activity, after the stressful activity. It is done to take your temperature at the normal level. So, limbering down are set of exercise done after the competition to bring normal body temperature. Right? So what is limbering down? Limbering down is also called cooling down, and limbering down is a way, these are the set of exercise which help us to bring up to our body temperature to a normal extent. See, before we participate in any game, we started doing warm-up. It means some set of exercise by which our body temperature enhances. And when our body temperature enhances, we become physically, mentally, socially, emotionally ready for take participation in any game. When we take participation in any game, we'll be able to know that yes, this is something and this is something that So what I would like to state you here is that when we participate in a game, when we participate in the game, we will be able to know that whether we are physically, mentally, socially, active for that. So what I'm telling you here is cooling down. Cooling down is a set of exercise which done after the competition. And if you talk about warm up, so warming up is done before the any competition. So whenever we discuss about what warming up, so warming up is a general raising of the body temperature, and warm up is generally done before the competition to get ready to participate in a particular activity. So now the point came here is what is cooling down is exactly all about. So cooling down, it is also called limbering down. Limbering down is also known as cooling down. It is a setup of exercise which are performed after the competition or after the stressful activity. After the competition or after the stressful activity. It is done at the end of activity, when the activity is finished. These consist of very simple exercise, which it means these are that exercise which have a slow pace, right? Speed, like one can go for jogging, slow stretching exercise, deep breathing exercise at the end. By cooling down, the body temperature is slow, brought to the normal when it is raised during the activity. In another word, it is a post work. Okay? And when we talk about cooling down, so cooling down is a pre-work. Cooling down is a pre-work done before the program. And what is the next one that I am telling you? The next thing is what? The next is the activities like by cooling down, the body temperature is slowly brought to the normal, which is raised during the activity. So when we do warm up means the enhance of the body temperature, and cooling down, it means to raise bring the body temperature to the normal extent. In another word, it is a post-work task to lower the body temperature to the normal level. क्योंकि क्या होता है बच्चे, जब हम वार्म अप करते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी की जो मसल्स हैं दैट विल बिकम हीटेड, so that will be get ready for the match, will be get ready for to participate in the particular activity. But when we go for this limbering down, so in limbering down what happened? In limbering down, our body temperature come at the normal level and will be become relaxed. Okay, so it recovers the body from the stressful activity and make the body ready for the normal workout. That is why I am saying you guys always that warming up and limbering down all has a meaning and all we need to understand properly. So now this point we need to cover what is the importance of limbering down and why we should go for limbering down. Importance of limbering down. Right? So what is the first point? When I am talking about limbering down, so reduce fatigue level. What is the first point? Reduce fatigue level. Limbering down is yes, an important part, and when we go for limbering down, what happened? When we go for limbering down, the fatigue level is reduced. What is fatigue? So let's come on the topic endurance. Whenever we do a long-term exercise, okay, with high pace or for a slow pace for a longer duration, endurance will be there. It means the ability to overcome fatigue. The ability to overcome fatigue is called endurance. So to get a reduce, okay, from the fatigue, limbering down is help us. So limbering down are the slow stretching activities which bring our body temperature up to the normal level. So yes, limbering down is very important because limbering down bring our body temperature to the normal level. After the stressful activity we do it so that we'll be ready for doing the normal workout. Let us take an example, students, when we do exercise for the longer period of time, and that is which is based on the endurance. So the lactic acid started deposited in our bloodstream and we feel fatigued, we will tired, we will feel lethargic. But if you go after the stressful activity, if you go for the cooling down or the limbering down, you will not feel like that, you will feel fresh. Why? Because the set of exercise, these are some set of exercise which bring your body temperature, the muscle temperature at a normal level. So reduce fatigue level. So yes, limbering down helps to reduce the fatigue level. Helps a body to reduce, to feel relaxed. Body relaxation. So as I told you, student, that during the warming up your body temperature increase and you will be get ready for mentally as well as mentally, physically, psychologically, etc. You will be ready for a particular activity. But when you go for the limbering down, the body temperature decreases. It means you will be get relaxed. The body muscles get relaxed because you are not performing exercise. You are just doing stretching so that you are inhaling like deep breathing. So the more the amount of oxygen goes into the muscles, the more they feel relaxed, right? So the white muscle fibers, the red muscle fibers all feel good because you have a good amount of oxygen over there. So body relaxation will be there. So limbering down brings body relaxed. Okay. So body is back to the normal level, right? So we can write functioning of biological system. Functioning of biological system become normal. Become normal. See, which point I would like to tell you here, students, is that, see, let us suppose when you are running, okay, we can take an example of running, we can take an example of doing push-ups. So let's begin it with the running. So whenever we are running, our heart is working, our lungs are working, sweat is coming out, nitrogen space is removing. So various biological systems, various biological organs are engaged in it. And when these organs are engaged, we need to think over it. It means, what's the important thing that I would like to tell you here is that the importance of limbering down is that it brings the normal functioning of the biological system. Because when we do exercise, the various functioning of our body, like the biological system, if I talk about, it will work. It is work on a force or a stress, right? Like the heart rate will increase, the cardiac output will increase, the hypertrophy of heart will be there. So whenever you participate in such a stressful activity, the normal functioning will be not there. The functioning of the biological system will increase, right? So it is very important for us to get relaxed and the functioning of the biological system will relax. So yes, the very important part of limbering down is that it will bring the normal functioning of your biological system. Reduce strain in the body, or we can say reduce pain in the body. Reduce pain in the body. Pain of body. So now I have a trick to understand this concept is that when you are participating in various exercises, okay, so it is so sure that the muscles are engaging and so many work is going on. So yes, it is true that the body is getting pain, you feel lethargic, you feel stressed, you feel tensed, okay. So when we go for limbering down, the body pain will be, you will not feel the body pain reduce because that set of exercise which help us to bring your body temperature to normal level. Okay, so reduce the chance of a strain. Okay, relaxes from strain and sprain. Right, cramp we can say. Right, so see, during play, sports injuries are so common, like abrasion, laceration, incision, cramp, strain, muscle pull, etc. So these things can be cured by doing limbering down. So before activity, that is the pre-work, is warming up, and after an activity, after the competition, there is the another thing, that is the limbering down, the cooling down of the body. So it is very important, students, that the reduction in the pain. Okay. So if you go for a limbering down, the chances of sprain, strain, cramp, spets injury basically will be reduced. Prevention of infection or prevent infection. Yes, limbering down helps to prevent infection or further injury. Prevent injury. Right? So today we had discussed about the two things. Right? First we had already done with what? We had already done with warming up, and second thing we had done with the limbering down. Limbering down. So these are such a two important parameters. These are some of the two important things that one should go for, right? So now let us come, we want to recapitulate what we had studied today. Okay, so we have two important components here that really need to be focused, right? The first thing is warming up. So as I told you earlier that warming up is a pre-work. It is done before an activity. And when I am telling you about warming up, so it's a preliminary preparation activity in which physiological or psychological preparation of an athlete could be done for the activities. Warming up is a process of heating the body muscles through certain exercise prior to the competition. In other words, it is a setup of exercise to perform which are before the competition. Students, by doing, the body is prepared psychologically as well as physiologically to bear the stress of the competition. It raises the body temperature slightly higher. Because yes, when we do some exercise for the cardiovascular system, for the lungs, for the respiratory system, etc., right? So there are more accurate response of the neuromuscular coordination. So here the point is that neuromuscular coordination, when you have a good amount of exercise you have done, the neuromuscular response is good. Now what I would like to tell you here is that when you are standing for a 600 meter run, as in when the foxtrot whistle is blown, the clapper clapped, and you will have to start running. So why all these things will be on time and how it will be? If you have a good neuromuscular coordination, the catching of the responses, to respond to the stimulus, etc., right? It is very, very important for an individual to understand the need of the warming up. So it is basically a pre-competition work. If we talk about warm-up, so as I told you that warm-up is of two types, psychological and physiological. If we talk about physiological warming up, so in physiological it is passive and active. Active is again of two types, general warm-up and specific warm-up. So general warm-up is, in general nature, commonly performed for every activity in a similar way that consists of simple exercise like jogging, running, stretching, rotating, calisthenic activities, jumping. It improves the mobility of a joint. And if I am telling you specifically, like the specific warming up, so various games have specific warming up. Like if I talk about basketball, so we need to go for shuttle running, dribbling, shooting, basketball practice, layup shoots, dodging, etc. If we talk about hockey, so stick rotation, dribbling, tapping, hitting. If we talk about cricket, so it's based on the arch making, dummy bowling, batting action, etc. So it is very important here to know that the specific warm-up are specific in nature. In the last, let's come on this topic, that is the limbering down. So limbering down is also called cooling down. These are the set of exercises which is done after the competition to bring our body at the normal temperature. The importance of limbering down is to reduce the fatigue level, our body will feel relaxed, functioning of various biological system will become normal, reduce pain from the body, relax body from strain or various spots injury. It prevents infection, it prevents spots injury. So this was all about today's session. It is part number 5 of your last unit, that is unit number 3. Go through each and everything properly. This is such a very, very important topic for us. Thank you so much for the session. We'll meet soon with the new hope, with the new lecture. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Take care.